They might have cleared the exam. They might have cleared the interviews. They might be working in a specific project. That's called specific knowledge. If they can put their specific knowledge into the agent and help people, it will help the whole fraternity. Okay, so now let me. Okay, so should we listen to the others? Anybody wants to do a short intro or should I go ahead? Okay, I'll go ahead with the create agent. See what we have done for the benefit of, I'm live on Insta also. For the benefit of everyone. Okay, so we start with askoxy.ai. Askoxy.ai is the platform. That's the platform we are talking about. Okay, so that's the platform. And if you perfectly look at, this is where the Bharat AI store. Okay, so click on Bharat AI store. Then you will see a lot of agents launched by the others. Job agent, Skill Sprout. Okay. Yeah. People who are listening, please stay on mute. People who are listening, please stay on mute. Okay, so this is how you launch an agent. You can interact with any agent that is launched by the people. Okay, if that agent is good, you will actually go back again and again, right? So I was trying to show my agents, Radha's A Lab. Okay, and I have insurance agents. These are all launched agents I'm showing, and I will take you on to the how do we create the agent. Okay, so this is taking long time because it's pulling from thousands of agents to just the agents that I have launched. Okay, and it shows no insurance agents. Okay. Okay. Right. So coming back, how do we launch such unique agents? Okay, I'll show one of the works that I'm trying to achieve. Okay, so try to understand this. I'm talking about the 83 banks data. I'm talking about 83 product companies whose product is used by the 1 lakh plus banks. Okay, so this is what I've showed in the morning session also. Let me go back to the Insta. Okay, and this is what I have launched in the morning. So these are all the 83 banks, 83 product companies. If you look at Temenos, Finacle, FlexCube, TCS banks, 83 product companies. These 83 product companies have sold product and 1 lakh plus banks are using them. 1 lakh plus banks. So what is there in that product? All the products has to use the same use cases. They cannot use whatever they want. That's called GLMS, Global Lending Management System. In Global Lending Management System, you have loan origination, financial management system, and collections management, right? So if you go to loan origination or collection, there are again use cases, delinquency use cases, okay, and legal collection workflow, queue communication mapping. These are all very specific knowledge, okay? You don't get this knowledge everywhere. So there are 60 use cases. Loan origination, customer ID creation, co-applicant, customer ID with loan linking, loan assessment. So let's open one of the use case. So this is talking about workflow for loan assessment. What do you mean by loan assessment? Can we give the loan or not? It's basic assessment. Okay. What is the precondition? What is the post condition? All this data is available, right? This is what I call it as a unique data. You will not get this data on the either Perplexity or ChatGPTs. because this is very specific data which I have worked on. Might be people who have worked in this particular area, they will know it. Now, what are we going to do with these use cases? From these use cases, we can derive the test cases, we can derive the front end code, we can derive the back end code, you can become a business analyst. The best thing is you become a business analyst. The one who becomes a business analyst is having an immediate opportunity to become a CEO or a program manager. Okay, because he knows the business. Okay, so this is what I am calling as a specific knowledge. So for this specific knowledge, these are all available on the platform itself, fastfoxy.ai platform. You go to GLMS, all these are available. Now, for each use case, you can launch an agent. But that is what I am not trying to show today. What I'm trying to show today is a sales league, right? Who is selling what? This is what I love. Who is selling what? This document talks about which product is getting sold. If Infosys is selling 10 installations, that means 10 into 200 people, 2000 people are required for the implementation. Okay. So you have wealth management, you have wholesale banking, you have retail banking, you have a bank wide. So who is buying? Why do I follow this? This is a very interesting information and a knowledge from my side. I love this. So you will know who is buying what. Okay, digital banking and channel deals 2019 to 2023. In 2023, if that guy might have done a deal, 2024 they might have implemented, 2025 they might have gone live. Okay, so what are the market trend? Temenos payments. It got sold in 66 banks. TCS banks sold in 16 places. Intellect IGCB sold in 9. Why are we interested in who sold what? Unless the product companies sell, there are no jobs for all of us. Let them go and sell. Let banks buy. When banks buy, we have to go for implementation, right? Somebody has to go as a business analyst, somebody has to go as a front-end developer, somebody has to go as a back-end developer, somebody has to go as a testing, should go as a production testing, user acceptance testing, business acceptance testing. All the jobs will open up. Now, who is the right candidate for this? The right candidate is the person who knows the knowledge of the use cases. So why don't we launch AI agents using this knowledge? So today, I'm going to launch an agent which tells who is selling what. After that, you can launch use cases and then you can build products. Okay, so I'll take a break. Any questions you can ask? We have participants. We have participants on Insta. We have participants on Zoom. Any questions, please feel free to ask. Text it in a chat. Because now I'm going to create an agent. The agent will talk about who is selling what. And the size of the PDF should be less than 5 MB. Okay, let me check. Yeah, you feel free to ask questions. I'm taking a pause because I want you to ask questions. You want to use chat and ask? Check. Okay, the size of the file is 1.51 MB. We are good to go. Okay, so now let me create an agent. Okay, I'll go to askoxy.ai. And this is what my dashboard is, right? So here, I'm sure you all are watching this. So this is where I can do a lot of things. We do a lot of businesses. Okay, you can check it out. And now click on create AI agent. Okay. So create AI agent. This was left out in the past session. Okay, let me choose the file. Choose file. Okay, when I say choose file, it has gone to the, I want to view IBS, right? So this is what I have given, upload and continue. So the file is getting uploaded here because the agent can do the text level conversations. The agent can do voice level conversations. It needs knowledge. So that's the knowledge we are trying to provide now. Okay. So what is that? I am, okay, I am a CEO. I'm a CEO. And what am I looking for? I am looking for a strategy. I'm looking for a strategy. And for what? Growth purpose. Right. So, growth strategist. Let me edit. I also want to edit this because growth strategist for what? 83 companies are there, right? 83 global lending product companies, 83 global lending product companies creating many opportunities. Creating opportunities. Right? As I discussed, when product companies does sales to whom? To banks. Lot of job opportunities will open up for people. Okay, this is what I want to tell. Lot of job opportunities will open up for people. The current need is, as a CEO, I want to understand who is selling more and which product, right? So if I know who is selling more and which product, then I can train people in that particular knowledge. So this is visibility, right? This is a public agent. So it's a public agent. Now I am publishing it. Publish. So when I say publish, what happened? It is saying 83 JLPC creating opportunities. I am a CEO and trying to develop a strategy. Okay. So it also gave the conversations, starting conversations. How do you typically track sales performance for different products? Which products are currently seeing the highest demand from banks? So that is not my objective, right? My objective is I am I'm building team. I'm building teams. I'm building teams. Suggest who is selling what. Suggest who is selling what. So I can develop resources in such area. Okay, that is one. Which bank purchased core banking? Okay, so these are all the two starting conversations. See, I'm talking about I have the sales report, but it is a 100-page sales report and I cannot remember that. So what I am doing, I am going to give that 100-page sales report to this. Okay, and I am also, these are all the instructions generated by the system itself. Now I want to edit these instructions, right? So these are all the instructions generated by the system. Okay, so what I am saying is at the end of every conversation, please open another dialogue. Okay, please open another dialogue. I say save and click on publish. When I say click on publish, it will give the details, publishing, right? So now it asks me to upload the file. So choose. That's what we want to upload, right? The IBS intelligence. Okay, IBS Sales League. Uploaded. Upload and continue. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I can do it all these things very fast. Okay, but since I'm explaining to you all, I'm showing this. Okay, so it is considering that everybody is applying for a job. Okay, now I'm not applying for a job, but submit your job application. Not applying for job. Mobile number, some X, submit. So it's asking me to click to upload profile. I will again give the agent API. Resume, submit. So I think this resume upload is a flaw. Everybody doesn't need to upload the resume, right? Only the person who is looking for a job should upload for the resume. Okay, now let's get back to my AA agents. So my AA agents, let me search for 83. Okay, so I'll go to my AA agents. Okay, so this is my agent, right? So here I can actually add more files. Okay, I can view, I can edit, I can delete. So let me click on view. Okay, so when I click on view, the agent got opened. So now this agent, you can also share it with many people. Okay, if this agent is making sense, okay, many people will actually use it. Okay. So hope all of you are able to see any challenge, let me know. Any questions you can ask. So now, how do you typically track sales? Okay. Now I want to know how many sales are done by Temenos, right? So from where this knowledge is going to come, this knowledge is going to come from that PDF. Yeah, somebody is saying I am 14. Guide me. I want an internship at AI startup. Please, please log on to askoxy.ai and then launch an AI agent stating that I am so and so. I want internship. It's a self-driven. So when you do that, whoever is trying to give the internships, they will come and give it to you. You want to build AI agents. If you want to build AI agents, ask Oxy is the deal. See, launch your AI agent. Okay, that is what it's free. And other companies are charging 49,999. But I am trying to give it for free for your knowledge. So let's get back. Temenos reported several sales across different product categories in the sales league. Digital banking, 63 deals. Payment, 66 deals. Risk and compliance, 54 deals. Universal banking, 76 deals. Now I want all of you to answer. I have participants on the Zoom and I have participants on the Insta. When a Temenos European company, okay, is selling digital banking, they have almost 300 sales. What does that mean? When the product company does 300 sales, what does that mean? Anybody can anybody answer? So you cannot be so silent. I want definitely people to answer. Okay, that means companies are using product. Okay, let them use. What is the benefit for you and me? All that I'm trying to say is when there are sales. Hey, you are all of you are able to see my screen, right? So am I sharing again? Why the share option has come again? Okay. So Vishwa, can you come? Yes. Okay. So all of you are able to see my screen. Now the digital banking 63 deals. Okay. Payment 66 deals. Risk 54 deals. Universal banking 76 deals. This means jobs for all of us. When a product company does a sale, every installation need minimum 100 people employment. This is what I have done my lifetime, 25 years. This is what I was doing. Okay. So when a bank purchases a product and the Temenos does the implementation, you need a business analyst, you need a UX analyst, okay, developers, you need testing people, business as usual testing. So does this mean many new jobs? Does this mean many new jobs? Obviously. And if at all you want to acquire this job, start launching the AI agents. And for you, when you launch an AI agent, you need knowledge, right? So, yeah, so the number of deals closed by Temenos helps us in implementation roles, support and maintenance jobs, sales and marketing positions, product management and development, training and education. All this has to happen. Okay. So, how long we have taken to launch this agent? Nothing, right? We have just. So where is Temenos from? Where is Temenos Development Center located? So I see a question. Won't those jobs be taken care by AI itself? Exactly. These jobs cannot be taken by AI because AI today is generic. AI can tell stories. Okay. AI can write songs. AI can design. But AI still don't know banking. AI still don't know domain. And the domain will keep changing every day. RBI rules will change every day. And your AI agent cannot cope up that. Okay. So that's a good question, Sarada. AI cannot take over the domain-based jobs because domain is dynamic. Okay. Yeah. Now, if you look at Temenos, they have center in Chennai, Bangalore, Vietnam, Switzerland, right? So it is actually headquartered in Switzerland. But see, Vietnam is challenging us, all Indians. If you don't wake up and show some skill, this Chennai jobs and Bangalore jobs will go to Vietnam, right? So today, all of you are going to Vietnam for a funny, happy tour because the location is good. So tomorrow, if they become powerful in technology, the jobs are gone to them. Okay. So now, who is competitor to Temenos? Who is competitor to Temenos? Right. So all this information is not coming from a hallucination. There is no hallucination, right? There is no probability. Chat GPT and Perplexity works on probability, right? But here we are not working on the probability. We are working on the sales report. Where is that sales report? Here is the sales report. This sales report I have given to my AI. And now AI is telling who is selling what. Now, the competitor to Temenos is FIS, Pfizer, Infosys, Finacle, Oracle, SAP for banking. Hey, is it true? Is it true? SAP is also into banking. Just like that. Can you tell me how many sales they have done? Can you tell me how many sales they have done? Guys, this is a multi-billion knowledge. Do you know? This is earlier used to be only with KPMG, EY, and Deloitte's. Now this information I made it public to all of you. So SAP transactional banking, SAP secured 10 deals for its banking solution. Okay. So may I know who are the buyers? Might be. It's tough. May I know who are the buyers for SAP transactional banking? Okay. So see, like now I'm going to talk as if somebody is in front of me, and then train all the resources accordingly. Okay. So team, this agent is launched by me in minutes, right? But I have a specific data. We have to constantly collect the data and feed the agent. How we have been trained on ABCDs, A for ant, B for book, C for cat. Okay, then we have been trained on paras, watching movies. Like that, you have to train your AI agent. So now let me keep it open for questions. Okay. Now, the major knowledge that I have shared with you is GLMS. Always go back to askoxy.ai home. Okay. And look at this GLMS, Job Street. 250 partner companies. I have partnered with 250 companies. Okay. And those 250 companies are posting the jobs. Guys, contract position, GenAI, contract position, automation testing, contract position. Okay. Contract positions are better than the permanent positions, because in contract positions you get a higher pay. Okay. I want all of you to come out from a very notion of what will happen if I don't have a job. Those days are gone. You have to be a good learner. Then jobs are everywhere. See, so many jobs are there. Okay. 0 to 2 experience is also there. Okay. Now I want to open it for questions. And I am telling you that always go back to askoxy.ai. Live on Bharat AI store. Lot of agents are getting launched. You also launch your AI agent. Okay. And when you are talking to the people, don't send the profile. Let your agent have your profile. Let your agent have your awards and rewards that you have received. Let your agent, sir, how do I upload all this? I told to you. You have to go to my agents. Okay. So in my agents, you can edit, right? So here there is an edit option, upload file options. You upload files, as many files you want. Okay. You might have done some project, upload that project option. Or actually you are selling cybersecurity services. So tell about the cybersecurity services. So Taslim, you are focusing only on the job. Okay. Job is the least and worst thing you should focus on. I'm sorry to say that. You should focus only on the knowledge. Job will come to you. Launch AI agents, make videos, tell about your skill. People will come to your home and recruit you. Okay. The whole purpose is how many jobs I can give to you, or how many jobs you can give to the others. But what if we all are skillful and keep launching the AI agents for the businesses? If there is a business around you, think of a small business around you who is a chartered accountant. So build a AI agent for chartered accountant. And once you build the AI agent for chartered accountant and you keep it in your pocket, who will know about that? Show that agent to the world. Put it in a Facebook, put it in a Twitter, put it in a LinkedIn. Okay. So with one mobile number, can we create multiple agents? Yes. With one mobile number, you can create multiple agents. No challenge. Okay. So Taslim wants to know BMV coins. A very interesting subject, right? So let me go back and show you that BMV coins. Okay. So where are the BMV coins? My wallet. My wallet is a money wallet. It's a real money. You can launch wallet. So you can actually launch wallet and add money. My crypto. Okay. So every time I do something, I keep getting crypto coins. And what do you do with crypto? You keep the crypto with you. There could be a day we are going to launch coin onto the stock exchange, and one coin could be $1. We are giving you 1,000 crypto coins, 10,000 crypto coins, and when conversations are happening, we are giving the crypto coins. Tomorrow, if that coin becomes $1, think of how much money you can earn. Okay, but all this you can only get with the knowledge. Now you want to redeem the crypto coins, you can redeem. and you can redeem the crypto coins. You can buy that. So that's the reason we have kept, especially for Hyderabad, the delivery is not happening everywhere. Okay, so we sell rice. Okay, we sell rice, we sell gold, groceries, all groceries. With the cryptocurrency, you can actually buy groceries. Somebody asked me, Radha, if I learn AI, can AI help me in a meal? Yes, you keep launching the AI agents for yourself with some knowledge. You keep launching AI agents for others. Keep earning coins. Forget about somebody using your services. But definitely, I'll bring businesses who will use your service. You can redeem the crypto coins over here. So lot of knowledge has been given here, lot of information has been given here. I want all of you to use that. So let me see some more questions. Okay, so I'm also looking at the questions across the live. Participants and chat. Okay, chat is here. So okay, okay, I think I've answered all the questions. And in the Insta chat also, I'm seeing a few questions. Okay, so why should I launch an AI agent? Okay, it's a very basic question. Let me go back. Okay, see, Perplexity is also an agent. Perplexity is an agent on top of the ChatGPT, right? So now you go and create the AI agent. I'll again click on create AI agent. So if you are a student, you can launch the AI agent asking for internship. Okay, if you are a fresher, you can ask for a job. There could be somebody giving a job. I am actually giving jobs. So I have also introduced 250 companies who are telling we are going to recruit. So your AI agent with your profile will talk with the job seeker AI agent, and there would be conversations. So there is a lot of automation here. Yes, there is a lot of automation. You're an experienced person, you're a team leader, you're a project manager, you're a career coach, you're a founder startup, you're a salesperson, you're a doctor. For example, you're a doctor. Okay, so what are you looking for? So you want to educate. It's all doctors doesn't mean they want to do only operations, right? You want to educate people. Okay, for what? You want doctor? I'm a doctor looking for educate people to improve the health conditions, right? So now I like it health wise. I like this agent. Okay, so agent description is I want to help people with good habits. Okay, according to according to health science. I'm just using the words like that, right? And then it's a public one, right? And then I click on publish. Okay, so now it is saying what inspired you to focus on promoting good habits based on health science? So I didn't like this. I'll edit. I'll say, I'll say, tell about daily habits. Okay. And starter two, how to how to manage how to manage winter. Okay. And I click on publish. So we always told doctor studied for 4 plus 2 plus 1 years, so many books. That knowledge we have to give here. Okay. So there's a question, AI chatbot and AI agent. Let's not worry about that. What is it? But to understand, the chatbot can only give the question and answers fact. It cannot do the web search. Here, the AI agents can do the web search if the question is not there, if answer is not there in the file. Okay. So I'm again using one of the okay. So I am using my IBS only here. I'm giving this file, upload and continue. So if the question and answer is not there in the PDF, okay, if the question and answer is not there in the instructions over here, okay, then actually it will go to the web search. But in our case, what we are trying to do is all the content that we are showing to you, okay, we want to ensure that content is coming from RBI, SEBI, IRDA, government orders, and all. So somebody is saying AI chatbot can give real-time answers. If AI chatbot can give the real-time answers, that means they have enabled web search. Once again, AI chatbot cannot give a real-time answers. They cannot be dynamic. The moment you say bot, okay, it's a build, operate, and transfer. Okay. So you are only building once, whatever you build, that only you will get as an answer. But those are all terminologies. Like, no, for somebody, doctor is a person who is doing operations. For somebody, doctor is a person who is giving a medicine. So it's okay. All those terminologies are okay. Okay. So now I want all of you to think wise and then see, create an agent which can help people, which can help yourself, okay, and edit the agents. If you are running a business, if you have a website, all that content you have in the website can be converted into the file and give it over here, and your AI agent is ready. Okay, and very good thing is the link. Let me show. We'll also give you the script. This link, the top link, what you are seeing here, this top link with a small lines of script, it can go live immediately. If you share this link, it will redirect. It will redirect to our platform. But if you keep this link within the script, it will pop up in your website. That means you can actually launch a agent and add it to your website at no cost in a 10 minutes. Okay. So this is what I wanted to share with all of you. And any questions we can answer, or we can take a break and then catch up again. Okay. So Vishwa, I want Premila to give a demo. She wanted to show up an agent path. Premila, you're there?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Okay. So I need to give a control to you to launch the agent. I have to stop sharing. Let me stop sharing. Let me stop. Yeah, stop share. I did stop share. Okay. So Pramila, you share your screen and start giving the demo. Let us see whether we can see it or not.
Okay, sir.
Vishwa, you are there. So can Pramila do the demo and then can she share the screen? And I think we are also going live on YouTube. Okay, the content of this meeting has been sent to YouTube. See, this is what we are trying to do, team. Okay, whatever the knowledge we are earning, whatever the knowledge we are gaining, we are transparently sharing with the people so that they can also grow in their lives. Yeah, while Premila is getting ready to share the screen and give a demo, you please continue to ask the questions. Okay. Any questions on chat or on Insta? We are ensuring jobs for everyone. We are ensuring AI knowledge for everyone. You can launch the AI agents, okay, and you can make the AI agents to talk to each other, okay, and then you can put them into a chain and then make them work for you. That's called AI agentic. Vishwa and Pramila, what's happening?
Sir, I'm sharing my screen, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Somebody is saying, I don't have knowledge in AI. Where can I learn? Ask Oxy.ai is the answer. So many times I have this problem. People will be eating samosa and they'll ask, I want samosa. How they don't know it is a samosa? So that challenge is always there. So just log on to askxc.ai, click on Bharat AI Store, everything will start. So people say, can I meet you? You don't need to meet me because I have 5 different offices and then different locations. I keep moving. You go to askoxy.ai and then everything is there. So now that's what the Premila is giving the demo, and I'm going on silent. Premila, you can raise your voice and talk.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. As my sir said till now, I am here to repeat the same process again for all of your clarification. So first of all, I have start with searching our website askoxy.ai. Then I was redirected to this page. Then click on the sign in. Here we will have all the options like dashboard, my orders, profile, my wallet, all these options. To create the agent, just click on the option Bharat AI Store. Here, these all are the agents created by so many people inside the office, outside the people, whoever are interested in creating the agents. So if you want to create your own AI agent, just click on create AI agent. Here in this page, you just have to follow the 5 steps. That is, you have to select your role, we have to select your goal, select the purpose, and then you have to give the agent name. You can give the name on your own, or our AI will suggest the name for you. And the last option is you have to give the description. This description is just like you're guiding your agent to behave in such a way. That means what is the goal of your agent, what you are going to do. If any user asks the question about this agent, how to respond. So here this one also, this instruction you only can give or our AI will suggest for you. So let's start. My goal is I just want to create the agent for the freshers who are looking for a job. So here my role is I am a fresher. For what I am looking for. Here we will have so many options as this is system driven. Uh, Here I am selecting the option professionalism, and 2, the purpose is what? Job readiness. So here AI is suggesting the name career launch. So I am preferring this name as this is good fit for this agent, career launch. Or else if you want to create your own agent with your name, so you can give the name whatever you want. You can give like career guide also. Here the description, just as I tell you, you have to give the instruction. So here I am giving the instruction like this agent should give the guidance to all the freshers, whoever is in need of the job. Or else you can ask for the AI to suggest this description also. Here this is the description. I am using this description, and then you have to check for the visibility. Either it is personal or public, it is your wish. So I am selecting as public. Then click on the publish. And here you will see all the preview. What is the description, what is the agent name, and the conversation starters. So let's see the conversation starters. What motivates you the most when working on a team project? How do you stay organized and manage your tasks effectively? Yeah, the starter questions are very good for the people who are in need of job when they are facing the interviews. So I am not changing them. And these are the instructions. Okay, everything is good for me. So I am continue with publish. Here in the publish, I am clicking on as publish. And here I have to upload the file related to this agent. So I have a PDF which is containing the information regarding this agent for jobs. So I have uploaded and I'm continuing. And yes, my agent is ready. To see where your agent is present, just go to askox.ai only. Here in all the options, you will see my AI agents option. In my AI agents, we will see the agent. Yeah, this is our agent, career guide. To view this agent, just click on the view. So here, see the questions we have given here. What motivates you the most when working on a team project? How do you stay organized and manage your tasks effectively? Just click on this question. Yeah, see the answer given by the agent to us, career guide, collaboration and learning, shared goals, recognition and feedback, sense of contribution, diverse perspectives, cohesive team dynamics. And excellent, this answer is given by agent and it is working good. And see other options available in our agent. Let's again go to this my agents option only. Here we are having upload files, view files. So view files is to view the files what we have uploaded till now. I have uploaded agent for jobs. If you want to remove, you can remove also. To upload more files so that we can make our agent more specific. More specific. And if you want to edit anything, you can edit here in the edit option. And if you want to delete the agent, you can delete here also.
Yeah, Premila, can you click on user history?
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
No, no problem. No problem. See,
Yes.
all that I want to say is,
Sir.
for example, Premila has created a career guide agent. Okay. And our Premila is actually selling a career guidance courses. She shared that agent link, okay, to the people. And people interacted with the agent. There is an history. Okay. Whatever, how many people interacted, how they interacted, all that will come over here. Okay. This is under approval. Like, no, she just launched. It has to be approved. Then whatever the end user does that history also will come over here. Okay. So, Narendra, can you ask Manaya to approve this agent? Okay. So, close this. Go to one of the approved agents, Premila.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Go to Bharat AI Store. Okay. Go to Bharat AI Store and then, yeah, little down. Some of the previous agents that are launched by you. Okay. Can you go to your agent names?
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir.
Or, yeah, actually, you can do my agents here also, right?
Yes.
Go to
Sir.
Bharat AI Store.
Sir, in the my agents, I am having one agent, sir. Can I show?
Okay. Yeah. So
Sir,
the agent that, okay. So voice of Nagarjuna. So this is already approved, right?
Yes, sir.
This is, see, so many people have done chatting with this agent.
Yes.
That's very good. Why don't you just click on anyone? Sai Krishna 2 chats.
Yes.
Yes, this is very, very important. See, you have launched an agent. Okay. And so, for example, you are selling mobile phones. You have actually listed all your phones and then launched an agent. So many people came and inquired about it. How do you know who inquired about what? So this is where you will see. So it goes on. There are a lot of things that you can actually achieve with the AI agent. Okay. And you really don't need any knowledge. You just need to start. You start and things will follow. Okay, I think I'll stop here. We have only 4 minutes. Let us take some questions. Thank you, Pramila. Thank you very much. And then you can
Yes, sir.
just open the Bharat AI store and leave the screen there.
Okay, sir.
Any questions? Let me know, team. So I'm also checking on the Insta. Any questions you can drop here. We'll answer it right now. Okay, good. So with that, we wanted to show how to launch AI agents and how to work on it and how to share it with the public. And then if public interacts with it, what conversations they are doing, all those things you can see. Okay, goodbye. Thank you, Pramila. Thank you,
Okay.
team. Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.